It's your girl Fanika, and this is Fanika TV. So yes, guys, I want to do a mukbang Q&A, but I want my subscribers to write down some questions that you would like some some questions that you would like some answers to. Yes, guys, I'm gonna do a mukbang Q&A, guys, and I want you guys to write down your questions in the comments down below. Yes, guys, remember to subscribe to Fanika TV. Get us to 10,000 subscribers. We're at 7,000. We're at 6,000 subscribers, guys. I just want to say thank you for 6,000 subscribers. I love you guys very much. Keep supporting Fanika TV, and remember, guys, don't skip the ads, right? Bye.